Very good morning, good afternoon, good evening to all. This is Gopinath Ganesan. In this video, we'll discuss about goodwill in partnership accounts and formula in goodwill in partnership accounts. What are the various methods to calculate the goodwill in partnership accounts and what are the formulas to prepare the goodwill? What do you mean the goodwill? Goodwill is the good name or reputation of the business which brings benefit to the business. Goodwill is the good name or reputation of the business is called as goodwill. It brings benefit to the business. It enables the business to earn more profit. It is the present value of the firm, future excess earning. This is a present value. The future excess earning. It is an intangible asset. Goodwill is an intangible asset. That's why it's recorded in the balance sheet, asset side, in the title of fixed asset. Intangible asset and fixed asset. That's why it's recorded in the balance sheet, asset side. Need for valuation of goodwill. Need for valuation of goodwill. The first point, whenever there change in the profit sharing ratio between the partners, for example, A and B are partner, their sharing profit ratio is 1:1, then they will decide to change the profit sharing ratio from 1:1 to 3:2. At the time, they will need to be calculate the goodwill. Any changes is there, they will adjust their capital. Then, when a new partner is admitted into a firm, at the time they calculated the goodwill. Then, when existing partner is retired or any one partner dies, then any dissolution. Listen, whenever we need to be calculate the goodwill, first point, change in profit sharing ratio. Point number 2, any one partner admitted in the firm. Third, any retirement. The fourth point, dissolved. At the time to be calculate the goodwill. Any difference is there, they will adjust their capital account. Classification of goodwill. Classification of goodwill. The first method is acquired or purchased goodwill. Acquired or purchased goodwill. We purchase the goodwill. Goodwill is comes in. We paid the cash consideration. We paid the cash. The cash is goes out. We purchase the goodwill. The consideration is paid. That's why any acquired goodwill or purchased goodwill, it will be shown in the balance sheet asset side. Balance sheet asset side. Second one, self-generated goodwill. Here the consideration is not paid. That's why the self-generated goodwill is not recorded. Self-generated goodwill is not recorded in the book, but acquired or purchased goodwill. Acquired or purchased goodwill always recorded. Why? Because assume that A company here is there. A company purchased the B company for rupees 10 lakh. Out of 10 lakh, 9 lakh for asset, net asset, 1 lakh we paid for goodwill. The consideration is paid from the A company to B for purchasing the goodwill. So the matching concept, cash is goes out, the asset is comes in. That's why the asset in the name of goodwill is recorded in the balance sheet asset side. Then average profit method. Here how to be calculate the goodwill in average profit method. Total, how many method here is there? 4 method. The method of valuation of goodwill, average profit method. What is the formula for average profit method? Here, simple average method. Again, the average profit method is classified to two types: simple average profit method, weighted average profit method. Weighted average profit method. What is the formula for simple average profit method? In simple average profit method, we will see later. Then second one, super profit method. Second one, super profit method. In super profit method, here they are calculated purchase of super profit method, then annuity method, then third one is here capitalization of super profit method. Capitalization of super profit method, then third one capitalization method. We will see one by one. First, simple average profit method. What is the formula for simple average profit method? Goodwill. Here what we calculate goodwill. Goodwill equal to average profit into number of year of purchase. Average profit into number of year of purchase. How do we calculate the average profit? Here average profit, total profit divided by number of years. Suppose they are given 5 years profit, add 5 years profit, then divided by 5, average profit, total profit divided by number of years, total profit divided by number of years. Here, next. So any other formula here is that? Yes, is that adjusted average profit. Suppose they are given any adjustment, adjusted average profit minus abnormal profit, minus abnormal gain or abnormal profit, plus abnormal loss, any abnormal loss is there to be added. Listen here, any abnormal profit to be deduct, any abnormal loss to be add, any abnormal loss to be add. Next, adjusted average profit, average profit minus partner remuneration. Suppose in the sum they are given any remuneration to the partner to be deduct. Why? Because the annual remuneration will be deducted the profit, that's why deducted. Here abnormal profit or abnormal loss, it's already considered the particular year, it's already included. All the goodwill calculation, whenever we be calculate the goodwill, at that time any abnormal loss, any abnormal profit we can't take into calculation of goodwill. That's why here it will be reverse the entry. Profit is already included, that's why here deducted. Loss is already deducted, that's why here added. Then adjusted average profit minus insurance for stock. Suppose they are given the adjustment for insurance for stock to be deduct. Why? Because insurance for stock deduct, it will be reduce the profit, that's why here deducted. Adjusted average profit minus annual maintenance. Suppose in the sum they are given annual maintenance will be deducted from the average profit. Okay, here very simple formula, simple average profit into number of year of purchase. How to be calculated the average profit? Total profit divided by number of years. Suppose they are given the any adjustment, to be consider the adjustment. What is adjustment? Very simple, any abnormal profit or loss. Here they are given profit means it's already included, it's already added in the profit, that's why now it will be deducted. Suppose abnormal loss, it's already deducted, that's why here added. Here remaining the three adjustment is the annual charges, that's why here deducted. Average profit, remuneration, remuneration paid to the partner every year to be deducted. That's why deducted from the average profit. Insurance for stock, they are given annual payment. It will be reduce the profit. That's why deducted from the average profit. Annual maintenance, suppose they are given the annual maintenance, yearly basis you need to be paid the annual maintenance. It will be reduce the profit. That's why deducted from the average profit. Next method, weighted average profit method. Weighted average profit method. What is the formula for weighted average profit method? Goodwill, total weighted profit divided by total number of weight. Total number of weight. So total number of weight, each year they are given the sum. Okay, total weight, weighted profit, total weighted profit equal profit, weighted profit. How to be calculate the weighted profit? In the sum they are given profit for the year, then profit year. Profit into weight, profit multiplied by weight for the particular year, we will get the weighted profit for each year. Weighted profit for each year. Then next one here, right, that's the formula. Weighted average profit, only two formula. Goodwill, total weighted profit divided by total number of weight. How do we calculate the weighted profit? Weighted profit, profit multiplied by weight. Profit multiplied by weight. The next calculation of goodwill in super profit method. Super profit method, it's important method. Goodwill, what is the formula for goodwill? Super profit into number of year of purchase. Goodwill, super profit into number of year of purchase. How do we calculate the super profit? Super profit, it's important question. The difference between average profit and normal profit. Average profit minus normal profit. Average profit, super profit, average profit minus normal profit. How do we calculate the average profit? Already we know the formula. Normal profit, average profit, how do we calculate average? Total profit divided by number of years. Average profit, total profit divided by number of years. How do we calculate the normal profit? Normal profit, capital employed into rate of return or normal rate of return. Capital employed into rate of return or normal rate of return by 100, we will get normal profit. Then capital employed, how do we calculate the capital employed? Total asset minus external liabilities or third party liabilities or liabilities. Total capital employed, total asset minus liabilities or third party liabilities or external liabilities, we will get capital employed. So what is another formula for capital employed? Capital plus reserve. Capital plus reserve plus profit and loss account plus if profit will be deducted, suppose loss will be plus profit. Suppose loss will be deducted. Suppose loss will be deducted here, you will get capital employed. Then okay, the formula is over for calculation of super profit method. Goodwill, super profit into number of year of purchase. Super profit, average profit minus normal profit. Average profit formula here already discussed. We know the formula for average profit. Then normal profit, capital employed into normal rate of return or ROI by 100. Then capital employed, total asset minus liabilities. Total asset minus liabilities, another one formula. Capital employed, capital plus reserve plus profit. Suppose loss will be deducted here. Then annuity method. What is the formula for annuity method? Annuity method, goodwill, super profit into present value of annuity. Listen here, annuity method formula. Here super profit, what is the formula for super profit? Super profit method formula, goodwill, super profit into number of year of purchase. Instead of number of year of purchase, annuity method the same formula. Instead of number of year of purchase, here would be mentioned present value annuity factor. Present value annuity factor. Goodwill, super profit The super profit formula, the same formula, average profit minus normal profit, present value unaffected, directly they are given in the sum. Here present value unaffected, whenever they are asking sum, directly they are given the sum, it will be apply the whatever they are given the sum. Then capitalization method, capitalization method. What is the capitalization method? Here capitalization method, two method here is the first one, capitalization of average profit method. Capitalization of average profit method. So what is the formula for goodwill here? Goodwill, total capitalized value of the firm. Total capitalized value of the firm minus net asset. Total capitalized value means the total owned capital plus borrowed capital. Total owned capital plus borrowed capital is called as total capitalized value of the firm. Okay, how to be calculated? What is the formula to find out the total capitalized value of the firm? Total capitalized value of the firm, average profit by normal rate of return into 100. Average profit by normal rate of return. Then how to be calculate the net asset? How to be calculate the net asset? Net asset, total asset minus third party liabilities or external liabilities or liabilities. Net asset, listen, net asset equal total asset minus external liabilities or third party liabilities or liabilities, we will get net asset. We will get net asset. Then capital employed. How to be calculated the capital employed? Total asset minus external liabilities. Net asset or capital employed, both are same. Net asset or capital employed, both are same. Okay, what is the next one? Here, next method, capitalization of super profit. In capitalization, second method, capitalization of super profit method, goodwill equal super profit into 100 by normal rate of return. Super profit into 100 by normal rate of return. Here, what is the first formula? Goodwill, total capitalized value of the firm minus net asset. What is the another name of net asset? Capital employed. Another one formula, total capitalized value of the firm minus capital employed or net asset. Here second formula, capitalization of super profit method. What is the formula here? Goodwill, super profit into 100 by normal rate of return. By normal rate of return. What is the formula for super profit? We very well know. Average profit minus normal profit. Super profit formula, it's already given here. Average profit minus normal profit. Average profit. How do we calculate the average profit? Listen. What are the various name? What are the various name in the average profit? Listen. Average profit or actual profit or earned profit. The same name. Average profit equal to actual profit. Actual profit equal to earned profit. All the three is same meaning. Okay, what is the formula for normal profit? Normal profit, capital employed. Normal profit, capital employed into normal rate of return. Normal rate of return by 100. Normal profit called capital employed into normal rate of return. Okay, thank you. If you have any doubt, thank you. If you have any doubt, please comment in the comment box. I will clarify. Thank you.